Yeah.
Yo, what's good with you? This is place I'm making around. Guys, did you miss my intro? Guys, today, guys, I'm going to do something special for you. I'm gonna be cooking for you. So, guys, I have plans, guys. I'm gonna surprise you. Like, I don't know how long it's gonna be this video, but guys, the boy is back. Thank you for how many subs I want? Oh, thank you for 50 subs, guys. Please like, subscribe. Let's get the boy. Yeah, guys, let's get the boy to many subs. This year I must get 1K subs. Comment if I'm right. So, guys, let me just go with my boy. My boy is getting his phone back, guys. So, guys, I just wanna say, like, come with me. Get my boy's phone. My boy, guys, spend his whole December without a phone, like, to be for real. So, guys, come with me. I'll see you when we get there. So, like, guys, we've come back to take the boy's phone. Yeah, well, so, guys, here is the boy. So, like, did you get your phone back? How does it feel like to have your phone back? Like, in a boy, I'm actually the happiest because guys, my iPhone, so it's so like you feel good, like you have gotten your phone back. Oh, I'm the best. Yourself, guys. Yeah, guys. So I'm still wearing a school uniform, guys.
English.
At this
no,
time.
It's Friday.
Oh, it's Friday. Okay. So, guys, I'll catch you later. Yeah, well, like, comment, subscribe, guys.
Wait, what? Okay. We be running in bags, okay. At the top of the rank, okay. It's a robbery bang, okay. Stacking up stacks, okay. It's a morning routine, okay. I'm a fiend, okay. Don't compare me to, but okay.
Hey, bana. Kwenza nini? Ayawina.
Even I think in Angu. Oh, guys.
Yo.
This car. Guys, I told you that I'm gonna bring you content. I'm thinking about this, guys. This time. Yo. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, guys. What's good with people? This one is the next day, guys. Yo, I'm tired, guys. Like, for real, I'm tired. I came back late, guys. If, like, guys, you watched the full vlog, I came back late, guys, and then I'm tired. I didn't like get enough sleep. Yo, guys, yesterday was crazy. I won't lie. It was crazy. But guys, that's today I'm gonna bring you this content. Enjoy my content, guys. Please like. So guys, I don't know the plan of today, but guys, I will see. Because guys, I have many surprises for you. You're gonna see. I told you that I'm gonna be back. Like, subscribe. Let's reach the boy to many subs. You see guys. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you when I get there. So Rich, it's your day and mine. Yabo, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. Upgrade. Soon. Hola. What's up? Are you nga boy? No guys, catch you update. Oh guys, today guys spend a day with me and my boys. Guys, this boy guys run. Boy left. He's back now. The boy's back, guys. Yeah, you're gonna see more of him. Yeah, Mrs. Yakani. Yeah, guys, I'm just waiting for the Valentine to
pass.
Yeah,
then
pass.
Now we'll go get hands.
All hands.
You are stealing hands now. A man.
I don't care which
Pusana man.
Amanzi, yo. Khathala your video. Oh, boy. So what's the plan today?
A man's boy.
Guys, in the manzi now.
Yeah,
guys, just waiting for what?
Yeah, today's plans out.
Boy. Uba kunilisi naman pa namhlanje. My people.
Oh,
yeah. So like guys, we're back. Go. Bilang ngazi ngisho mina ube umuntu. Angithatha kithi umuntu.
Ain't no motherfuckers understand what we tryna do, bro. You see, dog, I ain't gon' lie, twin. Where I'm from, dog, I'm expecting like 10% of people from where I'm from to understand what I'm doing. We locked in some purple potion shit.
Purple potion, get the fuck out of my system.
And I ain't gon' lie, twin. Purple potion is stuck on their system. We ain't gon' get out. We gon' do that shit, bro. Get what I mean?
Yeah, what's up?
Wait, what? Okay. We be running them bags, okay. At the top of the rank, okay. It's a robbery bang, okay. Stacking up stacks, okay. It's a money routine, okay. I'm a fiend, okay. Don't compare me to, but okay. Flip blocks, blue rainbow face, okay. We be running them bags, okay. At the top of the rank, okay. It's a robbery bang, okay. Stacking up stacks, okay. It's a money routine, okay. I'm a fiend, okay. Don't compare me to, but okay. Flip blocks, blue rainbow face, okay.
We be robbing the bank. Give me the money, I'm feeling the tank. She shaking her ass and I give her the spank. I don't play with my racks, okay. I just want me the blues, okay. So that nigga can go to UK. Gotta give me a place to stay. Give me the money, I'm running away. I don't trust this niggas, no way. They gon' snitch on that nigga anyway. Okay. Guys, it's cheese on his shit and he came back with that fucking heat for real. But what?
Okay. We be running them bags, okay. At the top of the rank, okay. It's a robbery bang, okay. Stacking up stacks, okay. It's a money routine, okay. I'm a fiend, okay. Don't compare me to, but okay. Flip blocks, blue rainbow face, okay. We be running them bags, okay. At the top of the rank, okay. It's a robbery bang, okay. Stacking up stacks, okay. It's a money routine, okay. I'm a fiend, okay. Don't compare me to, but okay. Flip blocks, blue rainbow face, okay.
Was that like a killing fetch? I was waiting for you to say that shit.
Wait, what? I was trying to rob and I bitch and I tell her I'm piecing.
Hey yo.